Okay, this is a fun one. So the Deathly Hallows symbol, they describe how it's made. So they have a triangle A, B, C, A, B, C, with altitude B, D, and there's a circle inscribed inside of the triangle. Like that. So how, it's basically asking what is the total perimeter slash circumference of this. So we know that this is 48 pi inches squared. Oh, we also know that the answer is equal to the perimeter of A, B, C plus BD plus the circumference of the circle. So we know that the circle is 48 pi inches squared. So you know its radius is equal to, if the area is 48 pi r squared, or pi squared, area normally is just pi r squared. So r is equal to the square root of 48, or I think it's 16 times 3, so 4 root 3. Yeah. Okay. And the circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r, which is equal to 8 pi root 3. 8 pi root 3. Okay. So now we have the radius. How do we find stuff to do with the diameter and triangle and everything? That is a question. I'm gonna make a cleaner figure. So if we have this radius, and this radius. I don't know how much this is, but I know this, I can find this. Um, if this is the center of the circle, I believe it's also one of the centers of the triangle. Triangles have like 4 centers, so yeah. Hmm. maybe we can find the area of the triangle this way. Or if we split it up like this, maybe then we can find something. Oh, we know that this is a right angle. This is a right angle. And this is a right angle. So maybe this helps us? Again, we know this, this. We don't know these two parts. We have BD is equal to 2R, let's call this K. K plus K. So what we have here oh, I think we can get this. We have R squared plus, let's call this J. J squared is equal to R plus K squared. Okay. Now, we can relate J to K by, yeah. No, we could relate J to BD. So, if BD is this, I'm gonna make another triangle. If, if this is BD, then we have J, BD. So we have J squared plus BD squared equals, or 2J squared. No, not 2BD squared. Plus BD squared is equal to 2J squared. So BD squared is equal to, this would be 4J squared, so 3J squared. So BD is equal to root 3J squared. Okay, now we can put this in here. So root 3J squared is equal to 2 radius plus K. Now we can have a system of equations, of two equations with two unknowns. Now what should we solve for? We should solve for K. So simplify this. We have R squared plus J squared is equal to R squared plus 2RK plus K squared. Cut R squared out from both sides. We have J squared. Let's plug R in. R is 4 root 3 is equal to 8 root 3K plus K squared. Then we further solve for J. So, J squared? No, this isn't J squared, this is just J. oh my gosh, if it was j squared, that would have made it so much more difficult. Okay. J is equal to 1 over root 3 times 2 times r plus 1 over root 3 times k. And then r is 4 root 3. So it's equal to 8 plus 1 over root 3k. So is this squared over here? Yeah, it is. Okay. Now, let's go all the way back up here. Now let's go even further up. 8 plus 1 over root 3k squared is equal to 8 root 3k plus k squared. So here we have 64 plus 16 over root 3k plus 1 over 3k squared is equal to 8 root 3k plus k squared. Okay. Now, this is, it changes to 16 root 3 over 3. Okay, now we have 0 is equal to 2/3 k squared. Subtract 16 root 3 over 3. So this would be 24 root 3 over 3. Oh, so we just get 8 root 3 over 3. Okay. Minus 64. Okay, so multiply everything by 3. This would be 180 plus, 192. And now we could solve for k. K is equal to negative 8 root 3 plus or minus the square root of this squared, which is 64 times 3, which is 192 minus so negative 8 root 3 plus or minus the square root of, let's take out 64 from both sides, or from everything in this. So if we take out 64, we have 8 on the outside. This is 3 times 64. So 3 minus, this is also 3 times 64. 4 times 2 times negative 3. Just make the over 2. So it's equal to negative 4 root 3 plus or minus the square root of 3 plus 8 times 3 is so 27. 3 plus 8 times 3 is 24, yeah. So it's equal to negative 4. Oh, we got a root 3 here too. Root 3. It's going to be plus 3 root 3. So it's going to be equal to negative root 3. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I'm just going to pretend that this is positive for now. Because I don't know what I did wrong, and I don't know how I could have done something wrong. Or I know how I could have done something wrong. I don't know how I could have done could have led to an incorrect thing. But we're just going to pretend that I got it right. It's actually root 3. So then BD is equal to 2 times 2 times what is what? 4 root 3. So it's equal to 8 root 3 plus root 3 is equal to 9 root 3. And then finally the triangle is it's related to J, so J is BD is equal to 9 root 3, so J is equal to 9. Then, so this is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 9, which is 54. So our answer is 54 plus 9, 3, 8, 3. So this is 13, this is 16, this is, yeah, 13, 16, 24, 27, 77 is our answer. Let's see. Okay, the answer is 98. Circle of radius 4 at 3, which we know, which is 1/3. Oh, okay, the altitude is. So I guess there's some kind of theorem that says that the radius is 1/3 of this. I mean, I kind of saw it because these look like it's the same, but I guess it's just true. So they gave the altitude 12 root 3. What did we give the altitude? 9 root 3. Okay. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Where'd my mouse go? We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.